Well, here it goes. Here we are. I got my new jack the other day, about a month ago. It's already paid for itself. Badass tool. Never owned one. Used them before, but never had my own. And they're just awesome tools for this industry. You just got this one here's got a lot of limb weight on the back side of it. On the far side of it, I mean, we got this fish crick here on the back side. Gotta get a better perspective for you guys, so it's kind of leaning out that way, and we want it to go that way. So I got about 2,500 psi put to it right now. Not a lot, you know. I mean, this tree can definitely be lifted with just wedges. It doesn't need to be jacked, but it's light, so it's not going to take a lot of pressure to lift it with the jack. I got it set at 2,500 right now. But I don't want to beat my guts out either. And why beat your guts out when you got a jack? So, all right, we're going to saw this thing up and put it on the ground. Gotta love them jacks. You know, this tree's been dead from that forest fire for, gosh, I don't know, this must be going to 8 years now. And hey, look at that. You saw that. That's a saw log. Sound wood. A little frozen around the edges, been cold lately, but Nice stick of spruce.